this is Tim. Today we got a 05 Nissan Frontier. The reason I'm making this video, I'm doing a few things on here, but I wanted to make a quick video, hopefully help somebody out. It's got the ABS light on, and I checked it and had a PO500, which is a speed sensor, which in the automatic you have to pull the back of the transmission to get to the speed sensor. But on a manual transmission, this was a 6-speed, the speed sensor gets its readings from all 4 wheel sensors. And I did a diagnostic on this, in the right rear is not changing whatsoever. It's not doing anything. So I'll be changing the right rear, but I just wanted to give a heads up. I'll show you the right rear whenever the part comes in. But on the manual, it's the wheel sensors or the speed sensor. So you get a PO500 on the manual, you do the wheel sensors. You get a PO500 on automatic. Well, you got to pull that back, just the very back of the transmission. You know, you got to pull the drive shaft, pull the very back of the housing of the transmission off to get the speed sensor on that one. That one's a little booger. Well, this was just changing the wheel sensor, so I'll be doing that as soon as I get it and show you. Okay, this is the right rear wheel sensor, speed sensor. Like I said, for the manual, it'll be on the wheel. It fits right in here, in the wheel in the back. You got a 13mm bolt in the back. Fits in here just like this. I can see it. Excuse me there. Fits in here just like that. On the back side, you just take the bolt out, pull it. Then on this side, it's going to go up here, and you will take it off right here where this clip is. We'll take it off there and just undo it. Go around, you got little gromlets here that just sit in there like that. Just pull all those down there. Undo this, just push that in, and undo this right here, pull it out. And I'll show you to put the new one in. Okay, after you get them all on the gromlets, like it goes all the way around here, then of course you'll put the sensor back in here. You can look at it from the back. Sometimes it's hard to see the back, so if you want to just look at it from the front, you know it's going to go in the hole right there, and you know you got it right when you see it in the hole right there. And push it on up in there good so it rides right there. And then we'll go around the back, make sure it's pushed in good, get your bolt lined up like this right here. Uh-oh, excuse me. Doing this on feel, I really can't see it. Sure, it's somewhere around there like that. It's 12. Okay, let's see here. All right. So that is your bolt and your sensor. We'll go show it to you real quick. We'll go and clear that code out here in just a second. But that's how you do it on the manual. Like I said, the wheel sensor in the back, or all 4 of them, are your speed sensors. Okay, so they're all working now. So clear that code out. So that's for your wheel or speed sensor if it comes up with a speed sensor on a 05 Nissan Frontier. So thanks for watching. If you ain't testing, you're guessing. Yeah, come on.